remove the head of the string trimmer, we need to locate this hole on this base plate here. And what you're going to do is turn this around until the holes on the inside line up. So you can see through here, not lining up, lining up. Take an Allen key or a screwdriver, slot it through this hole, all the way through the metal plate on the inside, and then you can turn this head now to remove it. So we'll turn it clockwise because this is a left-hand threaded head. The supplied nut and large washer. You think the blade would just go straight on here, and that's not right. You see it moving around. This piece here actually has to come off. So we take this washer off, and you notice there's a little shoulder here. That's where this is going to sit on. So we're going to put this on here. And you notice that sits flush. I'm going to bring in this large washer. I'm going to go on. I'm going to get the nut. Then we're going to tighten this up. Left-handed thread, remember? Our Allen key back through this hole and lock it in place. I'm going to hold the Allen key steady while we tighten this nut up. Make sure that the blade stays on that shoulder and doesn't move, or you'll end up with a blade that's not spinning evenly. It'll have a wobble. So tighten this up nice and tight. And that's how to change from the string trimmer attachment to the blade attachment on a Wild Badger 40 volt string trimmer.